Hey guys, I'm back with another Flutter widget for you, and today we are going to talk about floating action button widget. A floating action button is a circular button that triggers the primary action in your app's UI. This page shows you how to add the fab to your layout, customize some of its appearance, and respond to button taps. First, import material.dart package. Press the enter. Type the main method, void main. Put the round bracket and put the curly bracket. Now define the runapp method in main method. Put the round bracket and press the enter. Now type the material app widget. Press the enter and give the title. Type the title. Put the single inverted comma and type the title. Put the semicolon here. Now type the home widget and define the stateful widget name. Floating action. Put the round bracket. Now create the stateful widget. Type the stful and press the enter. Now define the class name, floating action. Now remove the container tags and type the scaffold. Press the enter. Now I create the app bar widget and give the title to the app bar widget. App bar. Again type the app bar. Remove the comma and put the round bracket. Type the title. Type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma. Floating action button example. Put the semicolon here. Give the comma here and type the body. Type the center. Remove the comma and put the round bracket. I want a text show in a center, because of that I type a center. Type the child. Type the column. Remove the comma and put the round bracket. Type the main axis alignment. Dot center. Type the children. Press the enter. Type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma and type the floating action button. Press these many times. Now I define the I at here. Type the int. Type the I is equal to 0 and put the semicolon. Press the enter and again type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma and type the I. I want to change I. For that, put the $sign ahead of the I. Give the comma and type the text scale factor. Give the value 3. But what is text scale factor? The number of font pixel for each logical pixel. For example, if the text scale factor is 1.5, text will be 50% larger than the specified font size. the value given to the constructor as the text scale factor. Now I set the location of the floating action button. Give the comma here and give the comma here also. Press the enter and type the floating action button location. Again type the floating action button location and set the location. Remove the comma and type the dot and select the location. I select the center float. There are many options available. You can select any one of them. It's up to you. Give the comma, press the enter. Now type the floating action button. Again type the floating action button. And put the round bracket. Press the enter and type the child. Type the icon. Put the round bracket. Again type the icons. Dot and select the icon. I select the +1 outline. Give the comma and give the size 30.0. Now I set the background color. Type the background color and type the colors. Dot, select the color. Now type the on press method. Put the round bracket and curly bracket. Type the set state method and type the I ++ and put the semicolon. Now run the project. Now I remove the debug banner and increasing the size of the title. For debug banner, type it here. Debug show checked mode banner and give the value false. And for title, give the comma here and type the style. Type the text style. Remove the comma and put the round bracket and type the font size. Give the 20.0. Now run the project. Now I click on the floating action button icon. You can see the changes. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next lecture.